Alright, welcome back to Flourish Field, and in this video we want to improve on this um, ping pong game that we actually created in the last game. Alright, so keeps taking the scores. You see that? It's already looking like the pinball game. Alright, alright, that's it. That's 2-1. Everyone is ready for the game, and then we go. You understand? So what we want to do right now is to keep increasing this um, bouncing rates. I don't want it to move in the same direction. No, how do we achieve that? Now to achieve that, we are going to create. Now let's do that. Okay, we're going to also create a variable called speed. Okay, so that at the point at which it touches a paddle, the speed increases by 1. So now let's do that. So we go to variables, and then we say what? Make a variable. This time around we call it what? Speed. Now speed will be assigned an initial value. Speed. Now speed will be assigned an initial value of 10 because we are moving 10 steps. So we're going to say what? Set initially set speed to be what? 10, and then move speed step, that is move 10 steps. But now if it touches sprite 1, we want the speed, change the speed by 1. And then if we want to do the same thing for the second sprite, we just come right there and then say what? Change speed. Oh, no, not set. We want what? Change speed by 1. Now this would actually increase the speed of the ball, and then let's test run and see what we have so far. All right, so I'm showing you the speed so that you can actually track what is happening to the speed. Okay, so when we click on that, it starts with 0, 10, sorry, and then it moves. Can you see that? 10. It touches it 11. See that? 12. Now it's faster. So this is going to be more challenging now. Can you see? More challenging now. 3-1. So this is the fun part. All right, so that's it. All right. All right. So it's still on 10. But now there's an issue. How many of you noticed the issue? That the speed is not starting from 10 whenever, so it's starting from wherever it stops. So we need to, you can see that's 15 already. So let's quickly change that. How do we change that? Now to change that, we come back to um, the scoring aspect right there. We say, well, change the score by 1. And then we want it to go back to the center, and then pick any direction, and then wait for 2 seconds. At the same time, we want to set, when it gives you a score, we set the speed back to 10 to start all over from 10. So we'll do the same thing for, so after getting the points, we want to set the speed back to 10. So this will automatically now set our speed back to 10. Now let's check it again one more time and see. So this is 10 right now. So all right, so let's increase on this. 1, 2, now it catches and then start from 10 again. Can you see that? You see? Now that's it. This is more fun now. Start again from 10 and then we're ready. You see that? That's it. You see, the speed is increasing. Now start again from 10. You see? Um, so that's what I want to achieve. All right. So this is almost going to be the end, but it's not going to be lovely if we do not actually add a backdrop to it. It's going to look so boring. So now to just fulfill all righteousness, just click on choose a backdrop, and then you select one nice backdrop, not something serious. You could just pick any backdrop of your choice, and then we're going to end that game right there. And that will be the all that will be the end of our ping pong game. All right, I'm gonna pick I want something simple, so um let me check the circles. See. I think this is this all right? Let's check. I don't know. Let's see. I hope it doesn't disturb anybody. All right. So you could just find something nice. Okay. Not exactly what I have right here. So I just pick this. I know that's the game. All right. So that will be the end of the ping pong game. And I hope you enjoyed all of these tutorials. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment on the section below. All right. I'll be posting more videos on Python and HTML, CSS, and JavaScript later on. But I want to first finish with Scratch, and then we move to the next programming language. I hope you all understand how to create this. If you feel there's a better way for us to improve on this ping pong game, you could just let me know in the comment section below, and I'm ready. I'm willing to learn from anybody. All right. So see you in the next video.